After years of being unfairly compared to Tesla, traditional automakers have resorted to a defensive chant. Once these sleeping giants awaken, they'll be able to flood dealerships with electric cars, allowing them to close the sales gap with Tesla, which reached 936,000 worldwide sales in 2021. But for now, in order to compete with the EV juggernaut, the California startups Lucid Motors stepped up and have begun mass manufacturing Air sedans. But the business must first establish themselves as credible competitors. And perhaps this would be a worthwhile competition. Elon Musk, on the other hand, has other ideas. He's been hammering EV competitors who have been standing on their feet, and something similar has happened. What does Elon have to say about Lucid? What is it that Lucid should be terrified of? And is Lucid really a threat to Tesla? Watch till the end to know the answers to these questions. Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for EV stock. Quick reminder, subscribing's free and liking the video helps YouTube suggest similar content. Comments are loved and we feature them in our upcoming videos. Elon Musk has once again targeted Lucid Motors in his comments. Previously, he said that Peter Rawlinson, who worked on the Tesla Model S, was not the chief engineer because he did not work on it. He came on board after the Model S prototype had been built and resigned before things became difficult and was only ever involved in bodywork engineering. He was never in charge of the powertrain, battery, software manufacturing, or design. Later on, Peter Rawlinson expressed his dissatisfaction with Elon's assertion, saying that his official position was in fact chief engineer of the Model S. So, really, the issue now should be questioned as to why did Elon Musk even say that? The Tesla CEO has never shied away from a public disagreement with his manufacturing competitors, as seen by his previous comment that Nikola Motors and Trevor Milton are frauds, citing the fact that hydrogen fuel cells are fool cells and that the technology is staggeringly dumb. Elon Musk turned out to be correct in his viewpoint when Trevor Milton and Nikola Motors were exposed as a fraudulent firm by short seller Hindenburg, who provided a mountain of proof suggesting the company was fraudulent. Following the public discourse of the General Motors contract with Nikola Motors, Hindenburg released a brief article. According to the article, Nikola Motors lacked true technology and instead pushed their prototype down a hill and recorded it. Only because of Trevor Milton's fraud, a great deal of money was lost by numerous investors who fell for his deception. Okay, so Elon figured Nikola was a fraud and decided to take shots at the company and founder. But why is Elon Musk suddenly taking shots at Peter Rawlinson? There's no doubt about the validity of Lucid Motors' technology. The company has shattered EPA range records and received the Motor Trend Car of the Year award. Customers are currently receiving automobiles from Lucid Motors, and the company plans to expand significantly in the years ahead, up to and including 2022. Is Elon apprehensive regarding the ability of the Californian startup and launching an effort on the firm that is attempting to establish a brand to rival against Tesla? Lucid Motors may have what it takes to be the Tesla killer. Not so much that Lucid will ever be able to put Tesla out of business, but it has the potential to topple the giant as the dominant player in the electric car market. Considering Elon Musk's retirement from Tesla to join SpaceX and focus on his Mars mission, is it possible that the Californian startup one day will exceed Tesla in market share, especially when Lucid is also entering the energy storage business? We've already published a video regarding Lucid Motors' energy storage system and how it's anticipated to generate more revenue than the company's vehicle sales by 2030. You can watch the whole video from the link right below the like button, and while you're there, hit the like button. Tesla could have a Lucid Motors problem. There is a possibility that Lucid Motors may surpass the EV giant in the near future due to their cutting-edge technology and reputation of industry-leading engineering. If this is the case, buyers who purchase the dip at a price below $30 will almost surely experience a 10 to 20x return on investment. The current market capitalization of Tesla exceeds the value of Lucid Motors by a factor of 20. Rawlinson's business market capitalization accounts for only 5% of Tesla's total market cap. If that is the case, why would Elon Musk care about criticizing or taking time out of his day to answer a tweet like this one? In this tweet, Elon is definitely taking a dig at Lucid Motors engineers for failing to include Dream Drive and Cruise Control in the Lucid Air Dream editions. It didn't take long for shareholders and Twitter users to recall Musk that Tesla's full self-driving technology doesn't perform as stated either, and that it's cost Tesla customers thousands of dollars in hopes of a system that will never arrive. Many people even posted a video on their Twitter account regarding the FSD problems. That said, let's see what to expect from 2022. Tesla will not offer any new models in the year 2022, which may upset the company's enthusiasts who seem to appreciate the company's continuous innovation, but it should be a source of concern for startups like Lucid Motors. In other words, Musk has no intention of inventing in 2022. Instead, he intends to dominate in 2022. During the company's fourth quarter earnings call, he discussed the situation that this year, Tesla intends to focus the majority of its resources on expanding its manufacturing advantage over its competitors. Musk anticipates that he will make considerable progress during the next 11 months. Musk may be known for bragging and making sarcastic remarks, but he also has a thorough understanding of the business he's in. The statement on screen shows that 2022 won't be a year in which the company changes the world with a new idea. Instead, it'll be the one in which Tesla flashes past the competition, increasing the gap even further. Despite the fact that its competitors Lucid, Rivian, and NIO were well behind Tesla in terms of EV deliveries last year, the juggernaut continues to set new milestones. Given what they accomplished last year, it would be unreasonable to expect them not to improve upon their performance this year. Tesla may have set a lofty goal for the number of units it wants to sell by 2022, but the company's quarterly call has caused a ruckus in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla had a spectacular fourth quarter, but Elon Musk's emphasis on chip shortages and his refusal to introduce new models took a toll on the company's value, which in turn brought the whole EV market down with it. Many investors are puzzled as to why Elon Musk has focused his attention on the chip shortage and has continued to criticize Lucid Motors if they do not represent a genuine threat to Tesla's market dominance. There's just one way to really interpret this. Lucid Motors' technology has struck terror into Elon Musk, but still, the two businesses have a long way to go in their quest for market share. Elon has also said that the electric car market benefits from the increased level of competition. Lucid Motors is a legitimate competitor to Tesla, but each time the two companies are included in the same conversation only serves to exacerbate their already intense competition. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the rivalry between these two. Lance Caldwell owns 100 shares in Lucid and believes that the company has the potential to be the next Tesla. That should wrap things up for today. Keep in mind that subscribing's still free and liking helps YouTube recognize your preferences. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.